The idea that snakes can be hypnotized by music is a common myth that has been perpetuated in popular culture, but it is not supported by scientific evidence. While snakes are sensitive to vibrations and sounds, they do not possess the necessary cognitive abilities to be hypnotized or mesmerized by music in the way humans might experience it. The origin of this myth can be traced back to traditional snake charmers in certain cultures who play music while handling snakes. The snakes appear to sway or move in response to the music, but this behavior is actually a natural response to the movements and gestures of the charmer, as well as the surrounding environment. Snakes lack external ears, so they primarily perceive sounds through vibrations transmitted through the ground or through their jawbones. Music or any other sounds may elicit a reaction from a snake, but it is typically a response to the vibrations or changes in the environment rather than a hypnotic effect induced by the music itself. It's important to approach such myths with skepticism and rely on scientific evidence and research to understand the behavior and capabilities of animals.